What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. That's right. When it comes to the stocks you choose, yeah, man, we giving out free game for you. And I want to put you guys up on some game, and I want to show you something that is really interesting, and I think you might like. The S&P is down a negative 0.76% on the day. As you can see, they sold all the way off, and then they bounced almost all the way back up, close to where they fell. So this is what I seen today in my chart. So I want to show you some. So this is the market traded down, as you can see, and you see this trend line, this move up. So this big trend line move up. So they bounce from 30 to 31, 39.10, and as you can see, they traded up and they made a head and shoulders and fell all the way through. So what is interesting, I do want to point out, you see this arrow here? Fib retracements are real, man. This is a 50% retracement from this trend line move up, and they bounced up from there. So that was around 8 o'clock this morning. So I saw that this morning, and that was a good trade. So after they sold off, you could have took the short off that moving average. They double tested it and they fell straight through right in that area. So also what I learned today is don't trade on tick charts, man. You will get chopped up unless you're scalping. If you're scalping, you can use some tick charts, man, but don't fool around with tick charts unless you're scalping. Because, man, they come back for them stops, man. But anyway, so as you see, this trend line was confirmed around, this is around 11:15. They made a double touch on it, and you could have caught that bottom trade on up to the highs. So you could have waited around if you were confused on what they were doing, which it was a lot of weird movement today, but big moves. So they made two legs down, back down to the trend line, as you can see. So we got two legs down. We got one leg, got a break, and then we got a new leg. So you see the second arrow here. That is a 618 retracement. That's a fib retracement from that move up, from the bottom of that trend line to the move up to the highs, and the two legs down. That's a 618 retracement off of the trend line. They traded back up to 39.30. Then they double top and they fell all the way back down to the trend line at the end of the day. Literally, that was a 50% retracement of the entire move from the bottom of the trend line all the way up to 39.30. That was a 50% retracement at the end of the day. And I did catch this trade on up to, it got up to about 39.20, looked like 39.20 area, but they pulled back and kept going higher. So I did miss most of that move because I was just shocked that they would, I didn't expect that move to go any higher than the high. So they broke out, and so we got three confirmations of the trend line. You could have just waited on this trend line today if you were patient. Unlike me, I did not wait around for it. I took a break, came back, and this is what I saw today. This was pretty simple price action if you could have waited around for it, man. So simple price action and fib retracements are real, man. So I'm just now pretty much recognizing them as legit moves, man, and they really work. So fib retracements, 50% and 618s are great entries for big moves. So that would be, if you don't like scalping, if you like the big moves, I would suggest the fib retracements, 50% retracement and two-legged moves. So those are my go-tos now, and I'm getting pretty familiar with the fib retracements, and they work, man. Fibs are real, man. So just wanted to show this to you guys. If you wanted to wait around for these moves, you definitely could have. So I keep you guys posted on these trades, man, with these fib retracements. And happy trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Out.